especially to you, ma'am. Today we tackle about multimodal text. Multimodal text, chapter 7. So what is multimodal text? When we say multimodal text, this is the strategic use of two or more communication modes to make meaning, including written, spoken, image, and music. Also, spoken language and written language. So when we say multimodal text, it is a communication. So ang atong nga topic is communication. So when we say multimodal, from the word multi, it means daghan. So more nga communication strategy. So next is mode. What is mode? Mode is a way of communicating information. Like for example, speaking or your gesture that we call mode. So we have 5 multimodal modes. So mo ni siya ang mga modes kung saan na to pag-communicate each other. So first is linguistic modes. So when we say linguistic modes, it is use of words. Like for example, sa ako karon is speak ko, this is called linguistic. Then next is visual modes. When we say visual modes is like for example this PowerPoint this is the one of example of visual modes. Kung unsa ang imong nakita nga mo hulagway or ga hatag sa imuha og information. Third one is audio mode. Audio mode is what you hear. For example, you listen a music, so that we call audio mode. Communicate ka through through audio. Kanang kadunggan ra nimo. Next is gestural mode. For example, you communicate through your moves. For example, communicate ka gayon ka sa imong kauban nga gakaon na pero imo rang gina-action. So that we call gestural mode. You communicate through your gestures or your mode. Last is spatial mode. Spatial modes is how you arrange. For example, you draw something nga convey ka og attention sa uban. So ginaset nimo ang imong drawing para nga masabtan sa mga audience sa tanawa na. For example, this PowerPoint. So kasabtan ninyo sa naakoy sa title subtitle diri nga 5 multimodal modes. This another yung mga subtitles that we call spatial modes. Kung giunsa nimo pag-arrange ang usa ka butang para masabtan sa imong audience.